Today I'm going to MIDI map this Volca Drum to a MIDI keyboard. I'm going to use Ableton to do this. I'm going to turn on the Volca Drum holding the record button. This is going to set the MIDI channel. I'm going to select MIDI channel 13 for this. This puts it into single channel mode, so all of the MIDI will be going to channel 13. I'm going to set my MIDI keyboard to also be on MIDI channel 13. Right now it's on MIDI channel 1. Let's put that on 13. Hit enter on this EMU export 61. Okay, so now we have that MIDI channel. And then in Ableton, I'm going to make a MIDI instrument. And on that MIDI instrument, I'm going to put an external instrument. And for this external instrument, the MIDI will go to, it will actually go to my interface because that's what the Volca Drum is connected to. This will still be channel number 13. And over here on my MIDI from on this track over here, I'm going to go down here, MIDI from the EMU export, and that is going to be channel 13. Monitor will be auto. I'm going to go to record. Down here, MIDI looks good. Audio from, so on my interface, my Volca Drum is plugged into a stereo, 7/8, so I have a splitter going from the headphone jack here to a left and right. So inputs 7 and 8 on my interface. I'll leave the gain where it is and see if we get a sound. I need to get out of the MIDI mode. Okay, see if we get a sound. Getting sound, cool. So I can also now play it on the keyboard. Nice, nice. Need more cowbell. Okay, so yeah, so now you can finger drum without stumbling on your fingers and accidentally hitting the capacitive touch on these. Cool. All right, so that also means that we can MIDI map it in. So I can go over here and program in patterns now in Ableton on the piano roll. So there's our kick drum. All right, might as well get the loop going. Awesome. And we can also MIDI overdub. Awesome. Okay, enough of that. All right. So a fun trick that I like to do with this is I like to sort of make like a DFAM in a way. And I have a special kit for this, so I'm going to load this kit here. And this kit has some pretty gnarly bass sounds or some tones, and also, oh, sorry about that, some pretty harsh hi-hat sounds. I'm going to turn this down a tad. Okay, so the trick to this is to put an ARP on it. So I'm going to put an ARP on it. Under MIDI effects, arpeggiator. So now we have the arpeggiator going. So what I want to do here is I'm going to go to my piano roll, and I'm going to get all of these. I'm going to get rid of them. I'm going to play a chord that has all 6 voices. Okay, so now when I go to the ARP, let's put on hold. Let's make the style a little bit interesting. Let's go down and up. Now let's go up and down. Let's go up and down here. Okay, up and down. Let's do 16th notes. That'll be good. Okay, so now the ARP will trigger the chord here, and we should get a strange groove. Now, if you think that's great, what about if we change the style? Oh, you do not want to do chord trigger. That is no bueno. All right, diverge. And that's with all these voices being the same. Now I could go in and change the pitch of these. So maybe I want to go into this voice right here and change the pitch. And then go to the next one. That's much more pleasant. All right, let's change the style. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so while that is fun and all, it's kind of annoying to have to hit each one. I mean, yeah, you could function boop, change each one while it's playing and not interrupt or make a sound. But yeah, it's still annoying to have to change each voice. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take MIDI CC from this, send it to the Volca Drum. So I'm going to do this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, corresponding to each voice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.